Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a 4-hour chart of DXY. And my dear friends, yesterday we saw some good moves on the chart of gold, where gold made a low of 1901. In our previous videos, we talked about two good supports on the chart of gold, but I also clearly mentioned that we should be very careful while taking a buy position because no level on a market is permanent. We had a support around 1910 to 1911 and the next support around 1901 to 1898. As the volatility of the market was very high, the selling pressure is very high, we saw market breaking the first important support of 1910 and heading towards 1900 level, and market made a perfect bounce from 1901 and made a high of almost 1930. So almost it was a move of 300 pips, which is not a matter of joke. Hopefully you all made good money. Right now gold is standing at 1924. This is the current market price. At first, let's have a look at the chart of DXY. So DXY is standing at 102.17. Yesterday, when there was some recovery on the chart of DXY, I clearly mentioned that the recovery is not permanent, because to have a complete trend reversal on any chart of the world or any asset, we need a fundamental factor, and the fundamental factors are coming up on Thursday and Friday. I'm talking about FOMC and NFP. So whatever market is doing right now is only because of technicals. Fundamentals are still on the way. DXY is right now standing at 102.17. In case DXY shows some upside also, the road is not clear. The next resistance will be around 102.90, and then we have 103.50. To have a trend reversal on DXY, we need DXY to cross 103.50. We need a V pattern. Okay, but as of now for the day, I think 102.90 will act as the next resistance for DXY. Now let's have a look at the chart of gold. So first of all, let's look about or talk about the good levels. The best resistance on the chart of gold is around 1949 to 1950. This is the resistance. If you look at the chart of gold, then there is no doubt that this market is an uptrend. There is no doubt about it. But if we move to higher time frame, so this is the weekly chart of gold, and if I remove the drawings, you can see that though the market has shown extreme upside, but for the last 3 weeks there is an indecision in the market, because we can see dojis and spinning tops. See, dojis and spinning tops do not signify trend reversal. It just signifies indecision in the market. If you look at the chart carefully, then you can see that a couple of weeks ago we had 3 dojis and spinning tops, and after that market again gave us a good up move. So maybe market is in consolidation right now. Okay, and if you look at the COT data, we can clearly see that 72.59%, more than 72% institutions have taken buy position on the chart of gold. So as a result, there's a good possibility that we will see further upside on the chart of gold. So the resistance for this week is 1949 to 1950. This is the resistance for the week. In case market shows extreme upside also, there's a possibility that market will face some resistance around this area. So once market goes up, observe the market around this area, okay, before the news only. Okay, during the news, technicals may fail, because whenever there's a battle between fundamentals and technicals, fundamentals always win, technicals lose the battle. So before news, before FOMC or before NFP, if market goes up also, observe the market on 1949 to 1950. If you see market is showing price rejection from above, market showing shooting star kind of a pattern, then you can consider taking a sell position. Keep in mind, do not go heavy, because overall the trend of the market is towards the upside, and the institutions have also taken buy position. So please be careful. If you take a sell position also, you can just go for a quick sell, that's it. Okay, on the other hand, we also have resistance around 1934 to 1935, but this is not a very strong resistance. First of all, this is a resistance for day traders only. If you're a swing trader, positional trader, then you should avoid taking position on levels like this, because this is a weak resistance. And secondly, the trend of the market is upside, and taking a sell will be going against the trend of the market. If you're a day trader, if during the day, if you see market reversing from 1934 1935 level, you can take a quick sell position where you can expect a profit of 30-40 pips, not more than that. Okay, do not expect a complete trend reversal yet, because again I'm saying that for a trend reversal we need a news, and the news is coming on Thursday and Friday, not today. Okay, and in case market breaks 1934-35, let's assume that during the European session or the US session, market forms a big green candle. If market forms a big green candle, then you can consider taking a buy position as well. If wait for 1 hour, 2 hours, and just observe the market and see. If you see that market is trading comfortably above 1934 level, 1936-37 level, let the market go for a pullback, little pullback. Once you see market bouncing again, you can go for a buy position. Buying at retracement or buy at pullback above 1934 is also a good strategy for day trading purpose, because this is a resistance right now. Okay, so if the resistance becomes support, you can definitely go for a buy position as well. So first of all, observe the market. If market reverses on 1934 1935 level, you can go for a quick sell position, but it is risky. But in case market breaks it, okay, wait for some time. Once market come for pullback and market bounce again, you can go for buy, because that will be much safer. Okay, so your observation will be more important. Okay, then the best support on the chart of gold is around 1901 to 1898. The support from yesterday is still very much valid, but there is one small problem here. The problem is market is unable to break the previous highs. Okay, so it signifies that slowly the buyers in the market are losing their strength. So in this type of cases, okay, usually we see market going down like this. So as the news is coming up, so I don't think so that market will be going down that easily. But in case market comes to 1901 to 1898 level, observe the volatility of the market. Again, see, volatility plays a very big role. If you see market coming down to 1898 level with red candles like yesterday, then this time it may fail. This time it may fail, and you don't need to do anything. You don't need to take a buy position. Okay, because the next good support on the chart of gold is around 1870 to 1871. Okay, in case it breaks this level, then also no need to take a sell position immediately. Okay, just observe the market. Okay, just observe the market. If you're a safe trader, defensive trader, try to skip the position. You don't need to trade on each and every level. Okay, we are traders, we need to protect our capital as well. Only try to trade on those levels that you understand. And sadly, it is not possible for us to interpret each and every level. This is the harsh reality of the market, because after all, we retail traders do not run the market. So if market comes down to 1901 to 1898 level, okay, this time observe the volatility. If market comes down with big red candles like this, then there's a high chance the market will break. If market comes down with low volatility, small candles, you can go for a buy position. In case market breaks this level, then the ultimate support or the extreme support is around 1870 to 1870. For day trading purpose, we have some minor levels. Okay, we have some minor levels around 1916 to 1912. Okay, these two are minor levels on the chart of gold, but to be honest, these are minor support. I am not very sure whether they will work or not. If market comes, you can observe. If market bounces, you can go for a quick buy position. That's it. Okay, and my dear friends, this is the last day for the world's most affordable forex trading workshop, because the workshop will start from tomorrow. If you love my work, if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can definitely consider joining the workshop. I conduct the workshop in both Hindi and English. दोनों language में होता है. So the link is in the description. Okay, you will find all the details. Okay, all the details. You can see it's a 3 days workshop, 2 hours every day. The curriculum is mentioned here, and most importantly, I have also laid down some questions so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful or not, because this workshop has been designed mostly for traders who have been struggling with the market for last couple of months, years, or weeks. Okay, not for complete beginners. So please do check out if you really are interested in learning. Okay, anyways, my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye. Take care.